A Washington state couple who died when a large concrete slab fell from a highway overpass onto their pickup truck were youth ministers in their 20s and parents to a 6-month-old baby, also killed in the freak accident. Josh and Vanessa Ellis and their baby Hudson died Monday when a chunk of concrete weighing thousands of pounds fell onto the cab of their truck as they drove underneath the span, said James Ludlow, their pastor at East Point Foursquare Church. Construction crews were installing a sidewalk on the State Route 410 overpass in Bonnie Lake, about 30 miles southeast of Seattle, when a concrete barrier fell to the roadway below around 10:30 a.m. It was not immediately known what caused the concrete structure to fall. Bonnie Lake Police, the State Department of Transportation, and representatives from contractor WHH Nisqually are investigating.